Placing nails too close to shingle joints after patching a roof hole greatly increases the risk of leaks and undermines the patch's water-shedding integrity. When you repair a roof patch, focus on proper nail placement first. Position nails so they secure the shingle but do not penetrate the lap or the joint where two shingles overlap. Use roofing nails with a large flat head and corrosion-resistant coating and drive them straight so the head sits flush without cutting the shingle. Measure and mark nail locations before lifting or sliding shingles so you do not inadvertently hit a seam. A simple chalk line or spacer block set to 6 to 8 inches will save time and prevent mistakes. Avoid using staples or modified fasteners that can tear the shingle edge under wind load. Finally, after nailing, press the shingle gently to seat the adhesive strip and run your hand along the surface to confirm there are no gaps or raised edges that could trap water. Common mistakes include placing nails too near the joint, which lets water track through the puncture and drip into the decking, so move nails outward and keep them a safe distance from seams. Another frequent issue is overdriving or underdriving nails, which either cuts the shingle or leaves it loose. Drive nails so the head is snug but does not deform the shingle. A third problem is using the wrong fastener or corroded nails, which fail over time. So use the correct roofing nails that are long enough to penetrate the decking by about 3/4 of an inch and are galvanized or stainless. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and compare services for roof repair projects and other home work. We also help contractors find jobs and connect with local clients, and our site includes a discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange practical tips and photos.